The ocean is full of animals that are smarter than you think. Cuttlefish can change color in a matter of seconds to camouflage themselves from predators or sneak up on their prey. Dolphins can recognize themselves in the mirror and use tools to get food. And a group of male parrots will isolate one female from the flock in order to mate with her turn by turn. But none of these animals can hold a candle to the brains of otters. Seriously, these animals are way smarter than you think. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I sure do love otters. Something about them just really gets me. Maybe it's their awkward waddle on land, or the fact that they can eat 12,000 calories worth of fish per day. But when I found out how smart they are, I couldn't resist making this video. First off, otters have excellent memories. In one experiment, a group of sea otters learned to push a small plastic cup away from their food in exchange for a treat. After a few trials, they were able to master this task, which required a good amount of patience and planning. That's basically like going to the store, putting your groceries on the conveyor belt, waiting for the cashier to scan each item, then going home and putting away the groceries without dropping anything. If you can relate to that scenario, you're probably more intelligent than the average human. So just keep that in mind next time you see an otter doing a simple task. They might be smarter than you. But that's not all. In another study, a group of otters had to solve a puzzle box in order to get a tasty snack. Some of the boxes required the otters to flip a switch or pull a lever, while others had more complicated mechanisms. The otters quickly figured out how to solve the boxes, and some even shared their knowledge with other otters who had unseen the solution yet. This is remarkable because otters don't have a big social network like primates or cetaceans. Scientists believe that otters are capable of sharing knowledge with each other because they live in widely scattered populations along coastlines. This means that otters have to rely on their own wits and intelligence to survive in different environments. As a result, they've developed a strong ability to adapt and learn new things, which is why they can thrive in such a wide range of habitats, from the Arctic to the tropics. Now that we've established that otters are basically geniuses, let's take a look at some of the ways they use their intelligence in the wild. First off, otters are expert hunters. They use their keen eyesight and agility to chase down fish, squid, and other prey. They're sleek. Streamlined bodies make them perfect for catching slippery prey in the water. And their sharp teeth and claws help them hold on to their food once they catch it. Otters also use tools to help them hunt. For example, they'll use rocks to crack open clams and mussels. They'll also use sponges to cover their mouths while sucking up fish. That's right. Otters know how to use a tool to make fishing much easier. It's like using a bucket and a rope to collect seashells, instead of picking them up one at a time. And let's be honest, who doesn't love an animal that uses a tool? Not only are otters great at hunting, but they're also great at avoiding being hunted. They have plenty of predators like sharks, killer whales, and humans. So they've evolved to be wary of strange things in their environment. This wariness is what allowed them to survive in the first place. Otherwise, they would have been hunted to extinction long ago. So the next time you see a cute little otter doing tricks at the zoo, remember that they're not just adorable and fluffy, they're also really smart. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go watch some otter videos.